Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one thing that might be the future of the clean installs of Windows, it has been introduced in the Canary Insider build if you did a clean install of the latest build. And of course, if you upgrade, it's still there. But if you do clean install the Canary build, Microsoft has decided that two apps that are core apps that were always installed with Windows will not be there anymore in Windows 11. One of them, the Film and TV app or Movies and TV app, is not installed by default anymore. So that's one of the apps that's gone. And of course, frankly, I don't think a lot of people are using this. And the other one is the Maps feature, which is actually also going away. And as you see here, by the end of 2023, offline maps will no longer be available in Maps, which gives it even less importance because one of the most important things that we want in Maps is usually to have a offline option. So anyways, Maps also is not going to be bundled with Windows 11 in clean installs in the future. It's starting now with the Canary build, but they are saying that it will be moving on to clean installs of Windows eventually. So those two apps won't be there in the future. They are still going to exist. The Microsoft Store will still have Movies and TV and Maps available if for some reason you are using them. So that will be at least that. So they're not kind of removing the apps, but they're not installing it by default in Windows. And these apps have not gotten any updates really. They haven't had much change since a long, long time ago. So I guess they're probably thinking that people are using other things if they are using their PC than these apps basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.